In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your YouTube history using your iPhone. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking the video. So the first thing we're going to do is to tap on You right here at the bottom. Then you're going to select the settings icon. It's going to be right here at the top right corner. And then we're going to tap on Manage All History. This is going to automatically open up your YouTube history, and then you can start deleting the videos that you want to remove off your history. For example, I'm going to tap on this, or maybe I don't want this video to be on my history, so I'm going to click X. As you can see, this is going to automatically delete all the past videos that you have watched. You can also select delete right here, and you can pick if you want to delete all the videos that you have watched today, the videos that you have watched all time, or you can also select different dates by doing custom range. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.